Hello everyone, in this following video, I'll be focusing on a topic from Sustainable Development Goals, which is on good health and well-being. As you can guess, the purpose of this video is to inform the different ways that we can do to not get in contact with the virus. So how can we prevent this? Since we cannot detect the spread of virus, it is important to stay 2 meters away from each other when possible. Social distancing is especially important for people who are at higher risk of severe illness from COVID-19. The virus can stay at any surface and can live for hours and days. First on the list, please stay away from people and as far as you can. Keep at least 2 meters of distance from anyone. And avoid touching anything and anyone. Wearing a mask protects others as well as yourself. It should be worn whenever you are in public. A medical mask filters out large particles in the air when the person breathes in. Wearing a mask is an extremely important habit that every one of us should be doing, as it can significantly reduce the risk of transmission and contamination. New study found that by simply talking to each other, it is easy to get infected. Even while wearing a mask, you should keep physical distance from each other as much as possible and be on your toes whenever you are around someone. But remember, wash or sanitize your hands before and after putting on your mask. Remember to place your mask over your mouth, nose, and chin. Lastly, do not touch your mask while wearing it. But if you do accidentally touch your mask, please wash or sanitize your hands. Although it can be bothersome, but during this pandemic, keeping hands clean is especially important. Washing hands can keep you healthy and stop the spread of infection. It is easy for germs to spread touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Regular hand wash is one of the best ways to remove germs, avoid getting sick, and spreading germs to others. Hand sanitizer is another way of disinfecting your hands from bacteria and viruses when you have no access to soap and water. It is a simple yet effective way to prevent infections. So how often do we have to sanitize our hands? After a handshake, after meeting someone, touching an object that is not yours, after you've pushed a cart around the store, after handling money, and after touching elevator buttons or door handles. Last but not least, stay at home. It reduces risk of infection and lower chances of getting or spreading the virus.